La, L-A. Le, L-I-E. Le.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Amharic Fast. Today in this video I will show you how to write an Amharic using your computer keyboard. Actually, we don't need to download anything. The Amharic keyboard is already built in your computer. You need to enable or install it from your setting. And I'm going to show you easily now. After that, I will show you how to type in Amharic like this one. Actually, if you watch this video till the end, you will not only learn how to write an Amharic, but also you will see how simple and beautiful the Amharic Fidel is. So now let us begin by installing the Amharic keyboard on your computer.
So let us see now how to install the Amharic keyboard. Go to on the start menu here and type language. So click edit language and the keyboard option. Alright, here just click add a language and you will find Amharic here. Click on it, next, then you will install it. Alright, make sure it is tick and install. It is pending. That is it. You don't need to download any software on your computer. Now it is enabled. You can start using your computer now. So let us go to Office and start writing in Amharic. Alright, I will show you very easily how to write in Amharic. First, let me enable my screen keyboard. Yeah, since you installed the keyboard, you can change the language here to Amharic. So after you change the language, when you want to type ha, type first H then E, vowel E. So let's see. H, E, it will become ha. H only is h. When you add a vowel letter, it changes according to the vowel letter. Now you press O, H-U, H-I, he, ha, hu, he. To type the first ha, you press H, then A. H, A, it will become ha. To type the fifth letter, for all of the Amharic letters, we use two vowel letters, alright? Two vowel letters. So H, I, E, it will become he. To write he sound, we only press H, it will become he. To write ho, H-O, you see? Now let us start typing la. La, L-E, la. Lu, L-U. Li, L-I. La, L-A. You see? This is similar. Le, L-I-E. Le. Le, only L. Lo, L-O. Alright. M, ma, M-E. Mu, M-U. Mi, M-I, me. Ma, M-A. Me, M-I-E. Me, only M only. Me, this is me. Mo, M-O. Okay, we are on sa now. Sa, S-E, sa. There is two types of sa in Amharic, by the way. Su, S-U. Si, S-I. Sa, S-A. You see how it is, how simple it is? Say, S-I-E. S, only S. So, S-O. Okay, we are on ra, ru, ri, ra, re, ro. Ra, R, E. Okay, ra. Ru, R-U. Ri, R-I. Ra, R-A. Re, R-I-E. Re. R, only R. Ro, R-O. Raruri, rare, ro. There is another sa also. To type this kind of sa, we press S two times. Then E. Sa. This is sa also. S. To type skazda. Two times kaza. U. Su. Si. S-I. Sa. S-A. Se. S-I-E. S, two times. So, S-S-O. Okay, we are on sh now. This is sa, su, si, sa, se, si, so. Let us type sh. Sh is X-E. sh x e sh, shu x u, she x I, sha x a, she x I e she, she only x, show x o. Wow, mashallah. Let us type ka now. Ka is QE. Similar, it is similar. QU, ko. QI, ki. QA, ka. QIE, ke. Only Q, k. QO, ko. Okay, ba. Babubi babe babo. This is kakuki kake ko. Let us write babubi babe babubi babe babo. Ba, be. Bu, bu. B, ba, bi. Ba, ba. B, bie. B, only b. Bo, bo. Let us write, let us type V now. The. Let us type the now. The, ve. Vu, vu. V, vi. Va, va. The, vie. The, only the. Vo, vo. Alright, mashallah. Let us type che now. Che, ce, che. Chu, cu. Chi, ci. Cha, ca, cha. Che, cie. Chi, only a, c. Cho, co. Very good. Now let us type che. To type che, you need to press shift first, then C, E. It will become che. To type chu, press shift C, U. Chu. Chi. Press shift C, I. Chi. Cha. Press shift C, A. Cha. Che. Press shift C, I, E. Chi. Press shift only C. Cho. Press shift C, O. Cho. Alright, that is it. As you can see, this is the formula. Let us type na. Na is very simple. N-E, na. N-U, no. No means common, no. For plural people. Ni, N-I. Na, N-A. Na has also a meaning. Na means na, common, for male. Ne, N-I-E, ne. Ne, only N. No, N-O. Nanuni nanina no. Alright, we are on nye, nye. There are two options to type nye. The first one is N-Y-E. The second one is G-N-E. You see? New. N-Y-U. New. Nye, N-Y-I. Nya, N-Y-A. Nye, N-Y-I-E. Nye. Nye, N-Y only. Nyo, N-Y-O. Nyenyo, nya, nyenyo. Let us type A. A is A. O is O. E is I. Click 2 times on A to type the first A. A. It is left leg is short, you see? A. To type A, I, E. To type E, only type E. O, O. Similar. Ka. We are on ka now. Ka. K-E. Ku. K-U. Ki. K-I. Ka. K-A. K. K-I-E. K. Only K. Ko. K-O.
Now let us type H. You need to press shift to type H. Shift K-E. H. Shift K-O. Ho. Shift K-E. He. Shift K-A. Ha. Shift K-I-E. He. Shift K. Shift K-O. Ko. Whoa. We are on whoa now. W-E. Whoa. W-U. Woo. W-I. We. W-A. Wa. W-I-E. Where. Where. Website. Only W. Woo. W-O. Whoa. So watch. Let us write the now. The is Z-E. Z-E. The. Z-U. Zoo. Z-I. Z. Z-A. Za. Z-I-E. Z. Z only. Z. Z-O. Zo. In Amharic it is called Zo. Let us type J now. We need shift plus Z. Let us type like that. Now press shift, then Z-E. J. Z-O. Ju. Press shift Z-I. G. Z-A. Ja. Z-I-E. J. Shift Z. G. Shift Z-O. Jo. Alright. We are on Ye now. Ye is simple. Ye. Y-E. Ye. Y-U. You. Y-I. Ye. Y-A. Ya. Y-I-E. Ye. This ye and this ye pronounced the same way. Ye. Only Y. Ye. Yo. Y-O. Yo. This ye and this ye pronounced the same way. Alright, we are on De. 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 D-A. Do. D-U. D. D-I. D. Da. D-A. De. De. D-I-E. De. This de and the first de are similar. D. Only D. Do. D-O. Do. Alright, we are on J now. J. 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 G-E. J. G-E. Ju. G-U. G. G-I. Ja. G-A. J. G-I-E. G. Only G. Jo. G-O. Ga. G-A. G-E. Ga. Gu. G-U. Gi. Gi. G-I. Gi. Ga. G-A. Ge. G-I-E. Ge. G. Only G. Go. 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 We are on T now. T-E. T-U. Tu. T. T-I. T. Ta. T-A. Ta. Te. T-I-E. Te. T. Only T. To. T-O. To. We are on A now. A. Shift T-E. Tu. Shift T-U. T. Shift T-I. Ta. Shift T-A. A. Shift T-I-E. Shift T. O. Shift T-O. Okay. Shift P. Shift P-E. O. Shift P-U. P. Shift P-I-E. Shift P-A. A. Shift P-I-E. Shift P. O shift P O. Ba shift P E. Ba. O shift E U. P shift P I. Ba shift P A. Ba. A shift P I E. Only shift and P. O shift P O. Okay. Sa. We are on sa. Sa T S E. Sa. T S E. Sa. Su T S U. C T S I. Sa T S A. Sa. Se T S I E. S T S only. So T S O. So by the way, there are two types of sa. So let us type them too. To type the second sa, you need to press S 2 times. T S E. Sa. T S S no. T S U. So T S I C. T S A. Sa. T S I E. Say. T S only. Sir. T S O. So we are on fa now. Fa. Fa F E. Fu F U. Fi F I. Fa F A. Fe F I E. F F only. F O F O. Fo. Pa. There is a pa sound in Amharic also. P E. It is straightforward. P U. P Pu. P I B. P A. Pa. P I E. P. P. P only become P. Po. P O. Alright, this is it. We have finished. You learned how to type in Amharic on your keyboard. Alright, now you learned how to type in Amharic on your computer. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more Amharic lessons. And in the next video, inshallah, I will show you how to use your mobile to type in Amharic. In the next video, inshallah, I will show you how to write on your mobile phone. So see you again. Ciao. Thanks for watching till the end.